I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll practice how to round numbers, decimal numbers, to the nearest tens. The question here is round the following decimal numbers to the nearest tens. 5.26, 1.23, 6.739, 0.95, 1.845, 1.950. You can pause the video, copy these questions, and then write down your solution. You can also check your solutions with my video. Here is how I will do them. First step is, when we have to round to tens, you have to check number at 100th place. Right, so in the first case 6 is the hundredths place, right? In the second place 3 is at the hundredths place. In the third case 3 is the hundredth place, then 5, and here you need to check these numbers. Correct? So that is the first step. Check the number at the hundredths place. So you're checking these numbers. Then what? If they are 5 or more, increase 10th place by 1, or you could also say plus 0.1. Do you see? You do plus 0.1. Okay, increase 10th place by 1 and drop all following decimals. And the condition could be, when you check, it could be either 5 or more or less than 5. So we say if less than 5, then write the number up to 10th place and drop all other decimal numbers. Okay, so let's try to understand what we have written here. So first step is check the 100th place. So this is 5 and 2 tenths, right? This is 10th place. This is 6 hundredths. Check the 100th place. 6 is 5 or more. Yes, it is. 6 is more than 5. So what do? We add, increase 2 by 1. We add 0.1. So this becomes 5.3. Do you get the idea? So if it is more than 4, that means if it is 5 or more, then increase 10th place by 1. So it was 2, increase it by 1. That means you add 0.1. So if I add 0.1 to 5.2, I get 5.3. Correct? Second case is 1.23. 3 is lesser than 5. Since 3 is lesser than 5, we will just drop it and write up to 10th place. That means 1.2. Do you get the idea? So that is how you need to round, right? So you can follow this method, write down your answers, and then check your solution. Let's do the next one. 6.739. So just check this number at 100th place. It is 3, less than 5. So just drop these numbers. You're left with 6.7. Now we have 0.95. 5 or more. So you increase 9 by next 0.1. So it becomes 1.0. Do you see? 0.9 plus 0.1 is what? 9 plus 1 is 10. So you get 0 decimal 1. So you get 1.0. So that is your answer. Okay. Now this one. Here, this is 5, less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So just drop them, 1.8. So that's easy. If it is less than 5, just drop the decimal numbers, right? Check 100th place. The 100th place is 5 itself, so you need to increase the number on the 10th place by 1. So 1.9 becomes 2.0. 1.9 plus 0.1 will give us 2.0. Do you get the idea? So that is the rule. So when rounding to tenths, you need to check hundredths place. If hundredths place is 5 or more, increase 10th place. Write down your number. If 100th place is less than 5, just drop and write down up to the 10th place. Rounding to 10th means you should always write down your answer to 1 decimal place, right? So we are rounding to 1 decimal place. Remember that, correct? I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.